Everyone, welcome to Official Help Desk. In this video, we'll learn how to get teenage filter on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, open the TikTok application on your phone. Once the app opens up, you can directly search for teenage filter effect in the search bar. Tap on the glass icon at the upper right corner and type down its keywords. Here, you can go ahead and browse through all these videos and get an insight about how the filter actually works. Here, tap on one of these videos. You can already see the change in the filter or how it works. Now to use the filter, tap on teenage look just above the person's user handle and then click on use this effect. Now you'd notice that your screen would be divided into two panels. In one panel, your original video would be played and on the other one, the filter would be applied. So you can press on the pink icon and record the video. If you want to post the video, you can go ahead and select the next option. So that's it. This was the tutorial on how to get teenage filter on TikTok. So we hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.